This is weatherman Shamersonkooper reporting live from the Chicago lakefront. And Chicago is currently under a severe thunderstorm warning with high winds of gusts of up to 65 miles per hour. As you can see, the water is rough and the waves are crashing with great force. There are funnel clouds forming far in the distance. This being the remnants of Tropical Storm Cristobal headed to Chicago. If it wasn't the COVID curfew or the George Floyd riots, now Chicago has a thunderstorm with a possible chance of tornado. This is weatherman Shamersonkooper reporting live from the Chicago lakefront. Stay safe and stay tuned.